Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use sea moss gel on hair. Sea moss gel is a fantastic natural ingredient packed with 42 essential minerals, offering numerous benefits for your hair. It can deeply nourish your scalp, strengthen your strands, and even promote healthy growth. We will cover everything from preparation to application, ensuring you get the most out of this amazing superfood for your locks. Let's dive in and transform your hair care routine. Now let's get to the application. First, make sure your hair is clean and slightly damp. This helps the gel penetrate better. Take about 1 to 2 tablespoons of the sea moss gel and apply it evenly throughout your hair, from the roots all the way to the tips. Don't forget to gently massage it into your scalp for about 5 minutes. This stimulates blood flow and ensures your scalp absorbs all those wonderful nutrients. Once applied, allow the sea moss gel to work its magic. For a standard treatment, leave it on your hair for 20 to 30 minutes. If you're looking for a deeper conditioning experience, you can extend this to up to 1 hour. After the desired time, rinse your hair thoroughly with cool or lukewarm water. Make sure all the gel is completely washed out. You can then follow up with your regular conditioner if your hair needs extra moisture. For best results, incorporate sea moss gel into your hair care routine 1 to 2 times per week. Remember, consistency is key to seeing significant improvements in your hair's health and appearance. Any unused gel should be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator, where it will stay fresh for up to 3 weeks. You can also mix a small amount into your favorite hair mask for an extra nourishing boost. Enjoy your healthier, shinier hair.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.